Hey there, if you are looking to renovate your bathroom or someone else's bathroom, this is a great planner for you to use to get it all on paper and figure out what you're doing. So this is the checklist we're starting off with. So you can double click here on the date, choose your date. I'm just going to show you around the sheet. This is for the Google Sheets version. So if you want to use Google Sheets, this is the one. I've got another sheet just for Excel, and I'll show you that one as well. Choose your date, or you can just highlight it and then pick a date yourself. Check things off as you're done. You can, add whatever you like. You can change this to whatever works for you. There's room to add more items. This is a budget. Here, you're welcome to change it up. So it's just a quick, so say we're going to spend $2,500 on a vanity. As we add stuff or remove it, it will change and add everything up here under your total. This is actually how much you spend. So that's your budget. That's how much you actually spent. You can put notes here. Shopping list. Check it off as you're done. And then you can print this out. You just go to File and then go to Print. And then you could do current sheet and then fit to width. If you want to do landscape, you could. If you did it 100 normal, it's going to be a little wonky. So you would have to change the scale to something like 75 or 90. And eventually, if we get it right, we'll have it all on paper the right way. But I'm going to go back and hit fit to width, and then you would hit next, and then go and then print out your checklist. So that's how that works. Move this back down. Okay, there is a blank checklist. So if you wanted to, use your own checklist, put in whatever you'd like. If you didn't like mine, feel free to make your own. Renovation planner. So this is going to help you to everything that needs to be done. There's a bunch of lines here. You've got your status, if in progress, not started, to do, your description. If there's a contractor, their contact information, start date, due date, estimated cost, and estimated time to complete. Your budget is going to be coming in automatically from your budget section. So whatever your, how much you spent, and then how much your budget is, this is going to add up here. So if we add something else here, say something else is like cabinets, whoop, it's going to add here, and then it will that budget will come up under here. Your amount spent will be coming in from here. How much you spent will be on here. So the difference between your budget and your spent, that's your difference. Okay, going back to the renovation planner, we've got, if you wanted to change your status, you could hit the edit button. This is Google Sheets, by the way. If you want to add another one, you could do that. Hit done. Apply to all, and then you have another one here. If you didn't like it, hit Control Z, and let's see. Yeah, Control Z undid that. Okay, and then let's see, idea list. These are all the ideas that you might have. Like, hey, I might want to do this fun idea. This is just your brain dump, basically. Links, how much it might cost, description, category, whatever you'd like to add. Let me move these. Okay. Vendor research log. This is more like a contractor research log. So if you want to go, hey, I'm hired and paid somebody, I'm discussing or contracted, if I'm just like researching information about like electricity people, installation people, cabinet people, whatever you want to do. You can put a status here, put in the name of them, their contact person, email, the category, their website, estimated time to completion, cost, amount paid, and balance due. This does not, let's see, yeah, we have totals down here, but this does not go into anything else. It's just its own little sheet. So these numbers don't transfer from one place to another. To-do list. So if you wanted to do add vanity, add 1.4. Once it's complete, it checks it off for you. If you didn't like these, you just literally highlight these and hit the delete key. You can start from scratch. The number complete, once it's complete, it'll add those up for you. Now on Excel, I'm going to just jump over to Excel real quick. Okay, so on our renovation checklist, we're just going to put X's for when something is, you know, you've checked it off. Under, let's see, your to-do list, your complete is going to be an X also, and once it's complete, it's going to be here. There's no pie graphs for this guy. So if you like it fancy, go back and use Google Sheets, because that's where all the really fun things that you could use are. Project budget, so this is where you're going to put in your budget category and all of this stuff. If you didn't like how big this is, you can always go and zoom this out and have a bigger way to look at it. So that's that. All right, so that's pretty much the sheet. Do we have anything else? That's it for today. Okay, so hopefully you'll be able to, let's widen this back up. Okay, hopefully this will help you with your bathroom renovation. If you are a business owner, this might super help you. You know, you could always put in somebody's name here. You could make new tabs for, you know, duplicate it for another person. You can be like the other guy's bathroom. You know, you could duplicate the sheet. You can copy the sheet to have one for each project you're doing. And then under the README section, this is where you're going to have the link to the YouTube video once I'm done with this. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm at savvyandthriving.com, and you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.